Unites.com, redefining Bollywood.
All right, I will just answer this. I'll add to this something. Well, I feel it's very easy for women to go out there and just talk about their problems and to emphasize on the sort of issues they face in their daily lives. But it's a lot more entertaining when it comes from another perspective. Like my director, Vikas, he's made a film on a girl, you know, her journey, her getting dumped and her deciding to go on a honeymoon. And I think it's so much more exciting to know it from a man's perspective, you know, how they look at us, and obviously the sensitive sort of man, you know. And he told me, because he's not here today, he told me that, Kangna, once my dad and my mom had a fight, and my mom never answered back, you know. And in that fight, she did answer back, and she said, I wanted to be a librarian, you know, and I didn't accomplish my dreams and decided to have a family and dedicated my life to you and your kids and everything, and this is what I get today. So he said that's where the idea of Queen came to me, you know, like, this is what I dedicate to my mother. So why can't a man make a film on a woman, and why can't a man host a show for women? Because eventually, you know, they do come from women, and they have women around them, and they really don't have a world without them. I think it's the most natural thing to come from a man. Well, I would say that I do follow everything on TV, and I think with me the problem is that हम लोग ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि ये अब एपिसोड देखा तो अगले सैटरडे भी देखें. हो सकता है इस सैटरडे टाइम हो, अगला सैटरडे नहीं हो, लेकिन जब कोई चीज़ काफ़ी पॉपुलर हो जाती है तो हम देखते हैं, और जब दूसरों से रेकमेंड की जाती है, then yeah, some of it I do watch. I think the contemporary makers are doing different things, and ये तो बात है कि जो एक भेड़ चाल है वो बंद हो रही है और लोग अलग अलग काम कर रहे हैं. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि लड़कियों पे ही फिल्म बने. जैसे जो क्वीन की कहानी है, ये इट्स नॉट अबाउट वन गर्ल, इट्स अबाउट वन पर्सन एंड डिसाइडिंग एंड टेकिंग अ डिसीजन एंड स्टैंडिंग अप फॉर हरसेल्फ, फॉर हिमसेल्फ. Could have been anything, anyone. Like when my brother saw it, younger brother, he thought he to completely relate it to the character of the girl. So at the same time, I think people are doing unconventional things, and which is great, you know, because high time, and we are tired of watching those same films, action, and then 2 comedy scenes, and then 5 songs and 1 item number. Isn't it like, you know, overdose of those sort of films?
Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe button and stay tuned.